You see, right now, PH, it's a tech-driven company that specializes sa transportation.
Mm.
So basically, yung right now kasi talaga is ang starting niya ngayon is actually as a school shuttle. But later on, we have other plans to expand
Hmm.
or to after ng school shuttle, we might be having the industry
Hmm.
lines, and then later on the PUVs, no.
Hmm.
So actually, we had the idea similar as Grab. If you're familiar with Grab Bus, or
Yes.
para siyang Grab. But the difference lang po kasi dito is itong startup namin is more on the public transpo.
Okay.
Oo, kasi we truly believe that for us to be able to resolve the problems po ng traffic, not just in Zamboanga but in the entire Philippines, is we have to enhance our public transpo.
Okay.
Kumbaga, making it comfortable,
Mm.
convenient, and the most important, safe. So we think of it, kasi syempre Zamboanga it's parang it's something new. Kumbaga, how do we integrate the technology to make sure that children are safe and we can inform the parents?
Parents peace of
Oo,
mind.
parang peace of mind ng parents. So meron
Mm.
kaming alert system in Ride
Hmm.
Now, no. So compared to a regular na tawag dito o school service, no, wala kasing tech. Pero ito kasi may tech eh. They can track their child.